In this video, I will show you how to buy and sell stocks on Cash App. Now, Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app that allows you to manage your money, send payments, and invest in stocks and Bitcoin. But before getting started, make sure you have a Cash App account set up and your information verified. Once you're ready, open Cash App. Go to the main screen, then tap on the stocks section. Here, you can view your current investments, track your performance, and explore different stocks available on the platform. You can also search for a specific stock using the search bar or browse through different categories. Then, once you find a stock you want to invest in, tap on it and then select Buy. Cash App allows you to purchase fractional shares, meaning you can start investing with as little as $1 instead of buying a full share. Now, the next thing you have to do is enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm your purchase. If you want to sell a stock, simply tap on the stock you own and then select Sell. Then choose the amount you want to sell. Review the transaction details and then confirm the sale. Now, once completed, the money will return to your Cash App balance, which you can then use to invest again, spend with your Cash App card, or transfer back to your bank account. And that's how easy it is to buy and sell stocks with Cash App on your device. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.